your weather on the threes.
Well, good Thursday morning, everyone. We are just tracking a near repeat of the gorgeous weather we saw yesterday, and that repeat will be on, well, repeat all the way through the weekend, all thanks to our weather setup remaining the same. High pressure across the northeast, driving in a northerly to northeasterly wind all weekend long, locking in that dry air. We will start to see some changes, small changes on the way for the first part of next week, but up until that point, our temperatures will remain right around or right below average from start to finish. And that dry air that we were tracking yesterday still sitting across the coastal empire and low country, allowing for temperatures to feel comfortable all day long. A bit warm in the afternoon thanks to that sunshine, but not terrible as we're looking at our highs once again back into the mid 80s. As of right now, a very quiet start to the day, a mostly clear sky, temperatures on the cool side at 58 degrees in Sylvania, 66 degrees here in Savannah, and sitting in the low 70s across the immediate coastline on Hilton Head. As we head through the rest of this morning, temperatures will slowly warm up into the mid 70s by 10 o'clock, into the lower 80s through lunchtime, and then back into the mid to upper 80s under a partly cloudy sky. So no big change out there comparing it to what we saw throughout our Wednesday yesterday. At 86 degrees for that high in Savannah, 88 in Glenville, and 86 degrees in Hampton. As we head through the next couple of days, our weather pattern again staying the same. Mixture of sunshine and clouds each afternoon with temperatures in the 60s in the morning, 80s for highs later each afternoon. That again continues through this weekend. So from today through our weekend, you can't go wrong with spending any time outside, especially if you want to do any yard work. Nice and dry over the next couple of days, as well as remaining comfortable. Our high temperatures by very early next week start to climb back up into the upper 80s here in Savannah. So that just means some communities south of I-16, you could brush the low 90s, but we'll get there. We just have a couple more days of enjoying this fall preview to get through before temperatures warm up just a little bit more. As for the tropics, yesterday was the peak of hurricane season. We had our first peak since 2009 that we were tracking a very quiet tropics. Now, of course, we all know the tropics, they continue to increase over the next couple of days. Looking at this area of low pressure moving off the coast of Africa, it's going to move across the Atlantic Ocean, and it does have a low chance of forming into our next system. But of course, as it moves across the Atlantic Ocean, it's going to be battling some dry air, so it will struggle with that tropical development. We'll keep an eye on it, but over right now, it has a low chance of forming. For us, tracking quiet conditions each day, with temperatures back into the lower 60s for morning temperatures into the upper 80s all the way through next week, with our next chance of rain really not moving in until at least next Wednesday. And you can see right there, only a low chance of a 20% passing rain shower at times for next Wednesday.